Anybody can become famous. You can be famous. I can be famous. A 90-year-old person can be famous. For that matter, even a dog can be famous. You just need to know the right secret to fame. Fame is standing at your doorstep, guys. Fame is knocking every day. Open the door and I'm waiting for you, but you just don't have the key. I am here to give you the key to fame. So watch this video till the end and I guarantee you that you shall become famous. So let's get started, guys. When it comes to fame, when it comes to becoming a renowned person, the planet Rahu is the master in it, guys. Rahu is equal to fame. Rahu is the amplifier. Rahu is the beacon, and wherever the light of Rahu falls, it glorifies that, it magnifies that, amplifies that, and takes it to a huge, huge magnitude. So, if you want to become famous in life, follow your Rahu. Yes, guys. So, you need to find out where the planet Rahu is placed in your horoscope, and you need to follow your Rahu. How do you follow your Rahu? That is why I am here, guys, because I'm going to explain how to follow your Rahu and how to become famous. So here it goes. Wherever Rahu is placed in your house, I'm going to explain you house-wise that if you have your Rahu in the first house, what you should do to become famous. If you have Rahu in the second house, what you should do to become famous. If you have Rahu in the 9th, 10th, 12th, so from 1 to 12, we'll be going across the houses. So, ready? Let's go. When you have Rahu in the first house, Rahu in the first house makes you a person who is self-obsessed. You want to come out in front of the people. You want to look good. You want to have that personality. You want to have that body. You want to be fit. You want to show yourself. You want to come in front of people and be the life of the party. So what you need to do is you have to put your entire focus upon yourself. You have to work on the way you talk. You have to work on the way you walk. You have to carry a great personality. You have to dress yourself properly. You have to work on your fitness. You need to have a great body. You need to have a great mind, because the first house is the house of your mind. So you need to have a great mind and you need to strive for excellence. Have you seen bodybuilders? Bodybuilders are somebody who show their body and they earn their living and they get fame through it. So if you have Rahu in the first house, you can become a good bodybuilder if the Lord of Rahu is in good dignity. So when Rahu comes to your first house, you need to focus entirely upon yourself, your personality, your confidence, your fitness, your body, etc., etc., etc. Rahu in the second house. The second house is the house of wealth. The second house is the house of speech. The second house is the house of lineage. The second house is the house where people collect things. For example, you become an art curator and you become famous. The second house is also the house of liquidity. So all the stocks, the share and everything that comes, anything that is accumulated, wealth that is accumulated is the second house. So you can become a famous stockbroker. You can become a good singer, a famous singer. You can be someone who is a famous curator. For example, you collect bonsai plants or you collect portraits or paintings or antique stuffs. So you can become an antique curator. When you have Rahu in the third house is the house of communication. The third house is the house of media. The third house is the house of short distance travel. The third house is the house of skill. The third house is the house of courage. The third house is the house of mass communication, journalism, anything related to TV shows, serial. So if you have Rahu in the third house, then you should involve yourself in such activities and Rahu will definitely give you fame, guys. When you have Rahu in the fourth house, now fourth house is the house of property, fourth house is the house of agriculture, fourth house is the house of your homeland, fourth house is your comforts, fourth house is your cars and vehicles that you have. Fourth house is also the house of property and real estate. So when you have Rahu in the fourth house, you can become a famous architect. You can become a famous property dealer. You can become a famous agriculturist. If you do agriculture in large scale, for example, organic farming, the new things coming in agriculture, horticulture, and things like that. So if you do that, then you can become famous. Have you seen in the newspaper or in the TV that a person does concept farming? He grows something in a very small area. For example, if you need 5 acres to grow a particular plant, then this person grows it in 1 acre and yields that amount of harvest. So you can get fame through agriculture also. Rahu in the fifth house. The fifth house is the house of films and movies. The fifth house is the house of politics. The fifth house is the house of art and theater. The fifth house is also the house of creativity. The fifth house is the house of sports. So when a person involves himself in politics or in films, in movies, in theater, drama, stage performance, and sports, for example, cricket, volleyball, football, NBA, basketball. So if you have Rahu in the fifth, and if you pursue such careers, then I guarantee you that you will become famous, guys. Absolute fame. If you have Rahu in the sixth house, now sixth house is the house of fighting. Sixth house is the house of pets. Sixth house is the house of service. Sixth house is the house of court cases. Sixth house is the house of diseases and overcoming diseases. So when you have Rahu in the sixth house, then you can train yourself in martial arts. You can be a MMA fighter because sixth house is the house of fighting. You can be a person who can achieve fame from your pet. For example, if you have a horse or if you have a dog or if you have a cat, then you can involve your pet into shows and your pet would win competition. The sixth house is the house of competition. So you can get fame in competitive exams. So you can write IAS, IPS exams, and through that you can get fame, guys. The sixth house is also the house of remedy and service. So you can become a famous doctor. You can become a famous nurse. If you provide service to people, then Rahu will amplify that quality and you will become famous, guys.